Tired of spending hours formatting quizzes? Today, I'm going to show you how to create easy objective-type questions in Google Docs, making your life a whole lot easier. First, open a new or existing Google Doc. Type out your question clearly, for example, what is the capital of France? Next, to create your multiple-choice options, we're going to use the numbered list feature. Click on the numbered list icon in the toolbar. Now, type in your answer choices, pressing enter after each one to create a new number. For instance, 1 Paris, 2 London, 3 Rome, 4 Berlin. Alternatively, for a different look, you can use bullet points. Click on the bulleted list icon instead of the numbered list. This will give you a bullet point before each option. This is great for quizzes that don't require numbered answers. For true, false questions, an even faster method is using checkboxes. Go to Insert, then select Checkbox. Click on Insert, then select Checkbox. This will add a checkbox. You can then write true or false after it. Remember to add appropriate space between your question and answer choices by pressing enter. This will make the document look less cluttered. And there you have it, quick and easy ways to create objective-type questions in Google Docs. Experiment with these techniques and see how much time you save on your next quiz or assessment.